In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for Stanley Steemer. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Alright, open up any web browser on your mobile device. And if you're on PC or laptop, you can follow on too. Head on over to Google. And then in the Google search bar, type in promo code for Stanley Steemer. Then once you've done that, you've got a whole list of results here to choose from. So you've got Real Tell Me Not. You've got Coupon Cabin. You got coupons.com, Simply Codes, Don't Pay Full, Join Honey, etc. So we thrift it. So you can use any one of these websites. So once you find the website you want to use, I'm going to use don'tpayfull.com, 10% off Stanley Steemer Pro code. So now to activate any one of these codes, what you need to do is just simply click on the code. So if I want, for example, $30 off 209 plus orders, so I'm going to click into that deal. I'm going to copy this code, and at the checkout section of Stanley Steemer, look for a place where you need to add in your coupon or promo code to activate that $30 off your order.